The cheaper and thinner Galaxy Z Fold 6 could be canceled. As usual, Samsung will launch Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 in the second half of this year. However, there has been a lot of confusion regarding the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and its possible variations. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video informative and subscribe to stay updated and leave a comment below. We love hearing from you. Some reports claim that Samsung will launch a cheaper, fan edition, Galaxy Z Fold 6, while others claim the South Korean firm will launch a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, possibly with better cameras. A new report claims the cheaper Galaxy Z Fold 6 could be canceled. The cheaper Galaxy Z Fold 6 without S Pen compatibility reportedly canceled. According to a new report from the Elec, Samsung is re-examining its plans to launch a cheaper Galaxy Z Fold 6 this year. The South Korean firm reportedly planned to launch the cheaper Galaxy Z Fold 6 alongside the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6. However, it is said to have lacked the digitizer required for S Pen functionality, which means it lacked S Pen compatibility. The company is said to have recently completed the testing of the device, featuring an IPX8 rating and 200K folds rating, but it wasn't any thinner than foldable phones from rival Chinese firms. The mass production of Galaxy Z Fold 6 components is scheduled to start this month. Due to insufficient product differentiation and market uncertainties, Samsung reportedly plans to cancel its launch. Per the report, only the standard Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 will be launched. That's all for today's update on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. It seems the journey of the cheaper variant has hit a roadblock, but the tech world is always full of surprises. Remember, the standard Galaxy Z Flip 6 and Galaxy Z Fold 6 are still on track for their launch later this year. As always, we appreciate your time and interest in our content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more updates. Your comments and feedback are invaluable to us, so don't hesitate to leave your thoughts below. Stay tuned for more tech news and updates. Until next time, peace out.